Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cooking Diaries. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and nutritious vegetable soup. If you are someone who is struggling with New Year's resolution to lose some weight, or even if you are someone who likes to have a nice warm bowl of soup when it is cold outside, then this is the recipe you need. So without further delay, let's get started. To make this vegetable soup, we would need about 2.5 cups of shredded cabbage. So this is about 8 ounces. 1 cup of thinly sliced carrots. This is about 4 ounces. And 1 small onion finely chopped. So this is about half cup or 2 ounces. And half of the bell pepper finely chopped. You could take any type of bell pepper you like, capsicum pepper, green, red, yellow, orange, whatever color you prefer. And this is also about 4 ounces. Other than these vegetables, you could add any type of vegetable you like. As long as you like your vegetable, you could add them to the soup. Mushrooms or whatever you like. Here I have couple tablespoons of oil, 2 large cloves of garlic minced, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Alright, here I have a big pot on high heat. I'm going to add my oil to this. Next we will add our minced garlic and saute it for a few seconds. Now we will add chopped onion and also the chopped green chilies and continue to saute. I like the heat that comes from green chilies. If you don't want to have that much of spiciness, you could certainly avoid adding the green chilies. Or if you are someone who likes to eat spicy food, then you could certainly add more than what I am adding here. Also, if you want to add any kind of protein to your soup, be it chicken or goat or lamb or mutton or whatever the choice of your meat, you could cut them into small pieces and add them right here along with these onions and green chilies so that they also get sauteed a little bit. Now it's time to add the chili garlic sauce, the vinegar and soy sauce, and also our salt and black pepper, and give it all a nice mix. Now it's time to add our vegetables. Go ahead and add the carrots and also the capsicum peppers. As I mentioned earlier, you could add any vegetables of your preference as long as you like them. Once they are all mixed, go ahead and add the cabbage too and give it all a really good mix. We are going to continue to saute our vegetables for another minute here. We don't want to cook them completely. We don't want them to be mashed up completely. So just kinda cook them for another minute or two. Now after a minute or two, let's add 8 cups of water. So that is about 2 liters. And we will let the soup come to a rolling boil. Once the soup comes to a boil, take about half a cup of water and add our cornstarch to it and give it a really good mix. And then add this to our soup and give it one last mix and let it come to boil one more time. Our soup has come to a nice boil. Now let's give it a taste test. Now at this point, you could adjust your seasoning according to your preference. You could add more salt or pepper as you like. Delicious and nutritious vegetable soup is ready, guys. Garnish it with some coriander leaves or parsley leaves, whatever herbs you prefer, and enjoy a big bowl of this nice and warm soup. I just want to add a note that each and every person's nutritional needs are different depending on your age, your gender, and your physical activity levels. Your nutrition needs would differ. So if you're someone who is trying to lose some weight, you could try to replace one of your meals with this soup. I usually take this big bowl of this soup, and it fills me up, but it has so less calories in it. It just some vegetables with a lot of liquid in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Try to make this soup and do let me know how you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button so that I will see you in another video. Until then, bye.